Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the battery chemistry and nameplate voltage. This matters because charging voltages and safety differ. Once done, power the pump OFF and isolate external devices so the battery charges alone. Next, pick a charger rated for the battery voltage and set an appropriate charge current, typically 1/5 of capacity unless manufacturer says otherwise. Make sure clamps are clean. Attach positive then negative firmly. You're now ready to start the charge cycle and monitor the initial current. You'll now monitor the charging profile closely because the how and why affect battery life. Watch voltage climb and the current gradually taper. That taper indicates the battery approaching full state of charge. Make sure the area is ventilated and the battery temperature stays between 10 degrees and 40 degrees C. Heat speeds degradation. If the charger has a float or maintenance mode, enable it once voltage stabilizes. Keep a simple log of time, voltage, and temperature so you can learn normal behavior for future charges. Finish by following the charger's full charge indication or by reaching the manufacturer's target voltage, then switch to float or disconnect. Once done, reconnect the wand and any external parts, then run a short operational test to confirm normal spray pressure and runtime. If you encounter problems, start troubleshooting. First recheck clamps and fuses, then try a known good charger. If resting voltage remains low after charging, the battery may be sulfated or at end of life. Consider replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.